In this video, I will be showing you how to change playback speed on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open YouTube in my web browser and navigate to the video I want to watch. As the video starts playing, I move my cursor over the video player to reveal the playback controls at the bottom. I hover over the gear icon, which is the settings button, and click on it to open the settings menu. From the pop-up menu, I look for the playback speed option. Currently, it is set to normal. I click on playback speed to expand the speed options. Here, you can see a slider as well as quick preset buttons ranging from 0.25x all the way up to 3.0x. To speed up the video, I click on the 2.0x preset button. The slider instantly moves to 2.0x, doubling the playback speed.
True. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, ready to begin a new session. To get my video file into the chat, I'll move my cursor down to the text input bar at the bottom, and click on the small plus icon. From the menu that appears, I'll select the option to add photos.
I then click back onto the video player to close the settings menu and continue watching at 2 times the speed. If I want to change the speed again or slow it down, I simply click the settings gear icon once more. I select playback speed from the menu to bring back the controls. This time, I drag the slider or click on a custom position to fine-tune the speed. I drag it all the way down to 0.35x for a slow motion effect, or back to 1.0x for normal speed. Once I set my desired speed, I close the settings panel.
Files from my device. This opens up my computer.
Changing the playback speed on YouTube is that simple, allowing you to easily speed through long tutorials or slow down complex clips to catch every detail. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.